Hazrat Abu Salama, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I asked Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha, O mother of the believers, tell me about the Prophet's prayers. She said, the Prophet's night prayers, tahajjud during Ramadan and outside Ramadan were the same. They consisted of 13 rakats, including the 2 sunnahs of Fajr. I asked her to inform me about his voluntary fasting, and she said, sometimes the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ would fast continuously to the extent that we thought he would not break his fast, and sometimes he would refrain from fasting for such a long time that we thought he would not fast. I have seen the Prophet ﷺ observing fast in the month of Shaban more than in any other month, except that he used to fast for a few days only. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23031.